This is a Chicago dog. Hopefully it's a faithful reproduction. I am in Australia. That's 20-ish plus hours flight to Chicago, so it might be a little different. We have a steamed poppy seed bun, all beef hot dog, American mustard, green neon relish, white onions, tomato, pickle spears, peppers, celery salt. That is a good time right there. That is already good. At no point did I think that I would be sitting down and describing a hot dog as being refreshing. This is refreshing. Actually. Got the pickle, the snap, the juicy beef dog. I love that pickle relish. Once you get over the kind of nuclear energy color, it is good. Celery salt? I've had a canister of that in the back of my spice cupboard for literally months. Forgot I even had it before I made this. Lucky I checked. To get that scent of the celery salt before you bite in, legitimately incredible. Growing up at Wendy's in Australia, you would get a Frankfurter with the red casing. That was good when you feel like getting dirty and rough. It's great. And yeah, you would just inhale it. It would be 3 bites max. Now for a hot dog, I would go to Harry DeWheels for a chili dog. That's good, but the sauce is really rich. And there's cheese and there's beef on beef, and it gets a bit crazy. This, it's got the feeling of a hot dog, that same satisfaction without feeling like it's going to linger with you for the rest of the day. That heat of the peppers. I didn't have sport peppers. I couldn't find sport peppers, so I subbed it with these. I use these on my sandwiches. Love this stuff. I'm gonna have to give this 8.94. Coming home tonight, I just was doing email stuff, not incredible. And this has just got zest and punch and juice. Love it. Alleviated all that fog. Going to be making a Chicago dog a lot more. Anyway, I guess that's it. See you around.